It's been probably 2 years of me tracking, and I feel challenged till date because it's a dynamic process. New people in my team have come in who I don't know, who have to again start from ground zero with. And it's still challenging, so it's a never-ending process of tracking that always keeps going. You have to follow people all over. So yesterday we started off with the first day of negotiations after all the governments had met in Cancun in December, and we sort of saw the same very dynamics that had played out in Cancun, with a lot of tension building on what the agenda could be. We started with the Kyoto Protocol track of the negotiations, with the agenda being debated heavily amongst, and there being a rift between what G77 and China grouping said and what developed countries said, which played out in today's meeting, which had reconvened in the morning, where the basic contention for differences in opinion were based on whether we should be putting commitment first or whether we should be putting the rules first, where the AOSIS and Marshall Islands and Tuvalu put up proposals as how to resolve this by saying that there should be workshops or there should be a document and a drafting group which laid out considerable or significant political action in a particular document, so that then they have something to put it down before the rules are taken ahead. So political action remains key before rules are taken ahead. Whereas Switzerland and other developed nations believe that it's not the numbers, but it's the rules that we need to decide first. The LCA started very late at night because the differences in points of view of major parties regarding the agenda were very clear from before. So countries like the US, India tried to have bilaterals and consultations before to try and sort that out. So it became really late into the night that the LCA actually convened. The LCA had two different differing opinions of what the agenda could be. The first being based on the Bali roadmap, and the other being based on the Cancun. So whatever one group of parties, which is the developed party, said, let's lock down whatever has been decided in Cancun, and G77 believe, well, let's lock down whatever has been decided in Cancun as well, but important issues that have been going on through years essentially need to be added in as well, which are based on the Bali roadmap. Then what are we basically looking at as consensus is something known as the Cancun Plus, which will form a basis for the work plan in Durban, which will combine some elements of the Bali roadmap as well as the Cancun agreements as the agenda.